Learn how to install your Ageless iron barn door hardware in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to check what is included. Your package includes 1 track, 2 roller straps, 2 door stops and 1 hex key, 1 floor guide, 2 floor guide screws and 2 floor guide anchors, 5 TMS washers, 5 track mounting screws, 5 track spacers, and 5 plastic drywall anchors, 2 track protectors, and 2 track protector screws. The following are roller strap components that are packaged separately: 4 2 3/8 inch machine screws and 4 2 5/8 inch machine screws, 4 acorn nuts, and 8 washers. You will need the following tools for the installation process: a Phillips head screwdriver, a pencil, a ruler, a ladder, a level, and measuring tape. You will also need a drill with the following sized bits: 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, and 3/8 inch. Measure the height of the door. Add 1 3/4 inch to this measurement. Mark this location with a pencil. This is the height of the center line of the door track. Measure 3 inches outside the jamb or opening along the track center line. Then mark with a pencil. This is the location of the first screw mounting hole. Drill a 1/4 inch hole for the first track mounting hole. Mount the track using the spacer between the wall and track and the provided screw and TMS washer. Raise the track until it is level. Use a level to check. Mark the other 4 mounting holes. Drill the remaining 4 mounting holes with a 1/4 inch drill. Note that any holes not in wood will need to be enlarged to accept the 3/8 inch by 2 inch plastic wall anchors. Mount the remaining screws at the hole locations using a spacer between the track and the wall. Tighten the screws to a snug fit, but do not fully tighten these screws yet. Slide the door stops onto each side of the track with the rubber bumpers facing inward. Tighten the bumpers with the included hex key. Caution: door can roll off the track without stops secured. To determine roller strap hole placement, make a mark half the width of the vertical stile. If no stile is present, measure and make a mark 2.5 inches from the door edge. Then measure 1 9/16 inches down from the top of the door to make a mark for the top hole. Then measure down a further 3 9/16 inches and mark the bottom hole. Using a 3/8 inch bit, drill holes where marked. Attach the roller strap to the door using provided bolts and washers. Make sure the straps are parallel to the door's edge. Insert the bolts and washers through the holes and tighten the nuts. Use the 2 3/8 inches bolts for doors that are 1 3/8 inches thick. For doors that are 1 3/4 inches thick, use the 2 5/8 inch bolts. Use the same process to attach the second roller strap to the door. Measure 3 inches inwards from each roller strap. Mark these locations. Drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole where marked. Install the track protectors with the provided track protector mounting screws. Do not fully tighten these screws yet. Rotate track protectors so they protrude from the door face. Track protectors are eccentric and will be rotated to the correct position after the door is mounted on the track. Use the same process to attach the second track protector to the door. Lift the door onto the track. Be certain that the track goes into the groove on the track roller. Gently roll the door back and forth to test functionality. Rotate the track protectors so they do not overhang the door on either side. Tighten the screws. Place the floor guide against the wall behind the door. Mark the holes and drill the holes with a 1/4 inch bit. Note that the floor guide should be positioned so that it engages the door when open and closed. Install the plastic anchors into the floor and mount the floor guide using the provided floor guide screws. Slide the door until it fully covers the door opening. Adjust the door stop at this position, then tighten the 2 hex screws of each door stop. You have now correctly installed your Ageless iron barn door hardware. For further information about Ageless iron products, please contact our customer support team.